We're at an insane moment with AI right now. New tools are being launched every week, and with AI agents, we can now build systems to automate jobs and help run entire businesses. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built an automated ad business using Claude Cowork and the Claude Chrome extension. So what are these tools? Well, Claude Cowork is an agentic AI feature within the Claude desktop app that can read, create, and edit files directly on your computer. And the Chrome extension takes that even further, giving Claude direct control of your browser so it can search the web, fill out forms, and interact with any site in real time. Together, they turn Claude from a chatbot into something that can actually do work for you. So let me show you how to do it. So the first thing I want to do before touching any AI tools is to open up a doc and list every single task I want the AI agent to complete in order to finish the job. So that includes every step the agent needs to complete and every software it needs to navigate. So for my example, that'll involve finding the client's product, generating the video advertisement, finding the correct contact email, and then drafting out that outreach email. Now, once that's built, the next step is creating skills. And skills are essentially instruction manuals for AI agents. These skills give the AI context on each tool I want it to use and how exactly to use them. For this build, I need 4 main skills, and I'm using 3 different AI softwares. So firstly, Runway, it's the software to generate the video advertisements. Then Full Enrich, this is used to find the correct email address for the head of marketing at my client's company. And then Gmail to draft the email outreach. And finally, an orchestration skill to help navigate the use of all of these tools together. So I'll ask Claude to build these skills for me right now. And as you can see, it's now generated the 4 skills and given a bit of a description on each. So now if I scroll down here, I can click on copy to your skills. And that basically saves each of them to Claude Cowork. Now if I click on the skills tab over here, you will see that all of the skills are now logged and saved. And there's Full Enrich, Runway, Gmail. And now they'll be used in the process going forward. Now that we have these skills saved, we can go straight to Claude Cowork to get started with the build. Now for my prompt, I'm telling Claude I want it to build and automate a complete workflow to run my ad agency. And I'm going to choose White Claw, which is a hard seltzer company, as the first client that I want to make a video advertisement for. Now with that, I'm also going to want to paste in that step-by-step doc that we made earlier on each part of the job process so that the AI agent has full context on exactly what it needs to do. Now, as you can see, it's currently processing that prompt, and the first thing it's going to do is ask for permission to navigate to the client's website. So if I scroll down here, by accepting this, I'm activating the Claude Chrome extension, and this is what allows Claude Cowork to operate my desktop remotely. So it's acting as a local AI agent, being able to navigate my browser and complete tasks just as a human would. So as you can see, this orange line at the top shows exactly which tabs the agent is working on at any given moment. And in line with the first task, it's navigated to the White Claw website to find the product it wants to use. And right here, it's saved a screenshot of that product, which will be used later to generate that video advertisement. Now, if we go back to Claude, we can see the full thought process and see that it's now requesting access to Runway, which is that AI video generation tool that's able to take a still image and turn it into a short cinematic video, which is perfect for these product ads. So as you can see, it's opened the Runway website on my browser. It's uploading that White Claw screenshot that it took earlier, and it's currently writing that cinematic prompt to generate a video. And with that, it's now generating the full product advertisement and saving it to my desktop to be sent out later. Now going back to Claude, we can now give it access to the Full Enrich side, where it's going to go to try and find the correct email address and contact for our client. And as you can see, it is open the website, it's searching for White Claw under the companies, and it is working to find the head of marketing and copy their email address. Now for the final part, we go back to Cowork one last time, and we click here to give it access to our Gmail. With that, it's able to navigate to the Gmail website, write the entire outreach email itself, attach the video, and then save that as a draft ready to be sent whenever I want. and as soon as this video is loaded, I can click here to view it. And as you can see, it's given a clean product video that can be used on a website, social media, or anything else. So that's the entire system. As you can see, there's a little bit of back and forth, but that's normal when setting these up for the first time. After that, you can get them to repeat themselves on a scheduled basis simply by prompting that in. So that's all. Feel free to go try it and let me know what you think. Thanks.